Today I'll show you how to turn on speed limit warnings in Google Maps. Speed limit warnings can help you stay aware of the road limit while driving. Depending on your location, Google Maps may show the current speed limit and your driving speed during navigation. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Settings. Scroll down and tap Navigation Settings. If you are using an iPhone, this may appear as Navigation. Now look for the Driving Options section. Find the option called Speed Limits and turn it on. This allows Google Maps to show speed limit information during supported driving routes. Next, look for Speedometer and turn it on as well. The speedometer shows your current driving speed while navigation is active. In some areas, Google Maps may also visually alert you if you are driving over the speed limit. After enabling these settings, go back to the main map screen. Search for your destination. Tap Directions, choose the driving route, then tap Start. During navigation, check the corner of the screen. If the feature is available in your area, you should see the speed limit and your current speed displayed on the map. If you do not see the speed limit option, it may not be supported in your country or region yet. You can also try updating Google Maps, restarting the app, or checking again while using driving navigation. Keep in mind that speed limit data may not always be perfect, so always follow road signs and local traffic laws first. And that's it. You've successfully turned on speed limit warnings in Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.